can only realize how weird Chinese food is only when you start traveling in China. You can find various strange local snacks in different areas of China, and here are some of the unusual food in China. I am sure you will be surprised by the foods. But before we start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Let's begin. Number 10. Deep fried spider. The spiders are a species of tarantula called a ping in Khmer, and are about the size of a human palm. The taste has been described as bland, rather like a cross between chicken and cod, with a contrast in texture from a crispy exterior to a soft center. The legs contain little flesh, while the head and body have a delicate white meat inside. There are certainly those who might not enjoy the abdomen, however, as it contains a brown paste consisting of organs, possibly eggs, and excrement. Some call it a delicacy while others recommend not eating it. Number 9. Deep fried bees. Fried bee pupae are richly nutritious, with a high level of protein and a low fat content. The most commonly way to eat bee pupae is to fried with salt, pepper and spices until it golden, or cooked with soy sauce and sugar. They're crunchy, sweet and devoured by the locals like popcorn. Number 7. Stinky tofu. It is usually sold at night markets or roadside stands as a snack, or in lunch bars as a side dish rather than in restaurants. Stinky tofu has a strong smell because the tofu is actually fermented. The proteins in the tofu decompose by the action of protease. Stinky tofu is an old and traditional food, and once you accept it, you will soon fall in love with it. Number 8. Deep fried scorpion. Scorpions are set on a stick while alive and continue crankling in agony until this specific shish kebab is immersed into boiling oil. They can also be cooked in so many different ways: grilled scorpions, roasted scorpions, or scorpions can be even consumed alive. Fried scorpions taste nutty and crunchy, having an odd similarity with potato chips. Number 6. Silkworm. Silkworm pupae is a traditional delicacy in northeastern China, where they are sold as street food on skewers to be deep fried. They told that it tastes a bit like shrimp shells. The flesh inside is tasteless, like firm bean curd, but is scrumptiously spiced. Number 5. 1,000-year-old egg. 1,000-year-old egg made by preserving duck, chicken or quail eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls for several weeks to several months, depending on the method of processing. Through the process, the yolk becomes a dark green to gray color, with a creamy consistency and strong flavor, while the white becomes a dark brown, translucent gel with a firm consistency. The transforming agent in the century egg is an alkaline salt, which gradually raises the pH of the egg to around 9 to 12 during the curing process. Number 4. Drunken shrimp. Drunken shrimp is a popular dish in parts of China based on freshwater shrimp that are sometimes eaten cooked or raw. The shrimp are immersed in liquor to make consumption easier. Different parts of China have different recipes for the dish. For example, the shrimp are sometimes soaked in alcohol and then cooked in boiling water rather than served live, and in other recipes cooked shrimp are marinated in alcohol after they are boiled. Consuming uncooked freshwater shrimps may be a serious health hazard due to the risk of paragonimiasis. Number 3. Turtle soup. Turtle soup is soup made out of meat, skin and innards of the turtle. Soft-shelled turtles such as Pelodiscus sinensis are commonly consumed in this manner in Chinese cuisine, while consumption of hard-shelled turtles is often avoided due to their mythical connotations. However, the hard shells of certain turtles are used in the preparation of a dish called gilingao, or turtle jelly. Number 2. Bird nest soup. These nests are actually made out of bird saliva, which has dried and hardened. That's right, when you're eating a bowl of bird's nest soup, you're having a bowl of spit. These edible birds' nests belong to the swiftlet, a small bird usually found in Southeast Asia. The swiftlet lives in dark caves and, similar to bats, use echolocation to move around. Instead of twigs and straw, however, the swiftlet makes its nest from strands of its own gummy saliva, which is produced by the glands under the tongue. The nest then hardens when exposed to air. Number 1. Monkey brain. The chef puts a live monkey beneath a table with its head poking up through a hole. The costumers then eat its brains while it screams. This dish is very expensive. Sometimes costumers that order this dish want to prove their richness and bravery, but many can't swallow a single bite. The dish was banned in China. And that's all. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Smile and be happy.